Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we'll look at how button styles work and how to customize them using global styles. I'll start by adding a button. I can switch between the available button styles to change how it looks. But if I want to customize the button, I would have to do that in the global settings. From the admin menu, I'll go to Refoundry, then Button Styles. Here, you will see settings for both link styles and button styles. Inside buttons, you'll find all the current button styles. You can edit the style and also see a preview of the button here. For this tutorial, I'll add a new button. I can change the button color and font color. I'll add some padding. Let's also add some border radius. I can change the font size. Kerning controls the spacing between characters in the button's text. I can also change the font weight and font family. Next, I can add an icon with the button. It can either be an image or a font awesome icon. I'll select an image. I can change the size of the icon, the gap between the icon and the text, and whether the icon will be placed on the right or the left side of the text. Now let's change the hover state. I'll only change the background color. The font color and everything else can remain the same. Now let's go back to the editor and refresh the page. Then I can find our new button from the styling settings. When we preview the page, you'll be able to see the icon on the left of the text and hover effects. This system allows you to define your button design once and apply it consistently across your entire site. Managing button styles through global settings keep your workflow scalable, consistent, and efficient.